shoulders, knees, toes, eyes, ears, mouth, nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. A little faster. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Even faster. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And now very fast. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Welcome to our online class. In this day, we're going to learn more about sound. Sound from everywhere. So sounds come from vibrating objects that can be heard by your ears. So in this moment, how are you? Hope you are okay. And as you watch this video, please get your book, Science 1 book, and find the word chapter 5 sound. So let's have objectives for today. Our objectives for today is recognized list of words in the vocabularies. Recognized list of words in vocabularies. Second, recall the sound sources of its examples through fill in the blank. So you're going to recall all the two sources of sound, like natural and artificial. So let's go to vocabularies. Our vocabularies, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 vocabularies for today. And you will repeat after me, okay? First thing first, sound. Everybody says sound. S-O-U-N-D. Sound. Good job. Next is trumpets. Trumpets. T-R-U-M-P-E-T-S. Trumpets. Next, vibrating. Vibrating. V-I-B-R-A-T-I-N-G. Vibrating. Next, artificial. Artificial. A-R-T-I-F-I-C-I-A-L. Artificial. Next, vehicles. Vehicles. V-E-H-I-C-L-E-S. Vehicles. Next, vibrate. Vibrate. V-I-B-R-A-T-E Vibrate. Next, animals. Animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. Animals. Good job. Next, ears. Ears. E-A-R-S. Ears. Ears. Next, natural. Natural. N-A-T-U-R-A-L. Natural. Right. Last, all. All. Okay. A-L-L. Okay. These vocabularies that we read and spell, you are going to look, find in the vocabulary, in the dictionary, these vocabularies. Okay, let's proceed. Let's have an exercise. I have a link below in a youtube.com watch about gummy bear. You can pause this video if you like and then come back here. Okay, pause this video first, then move. Okay, welcome again for our review quiz. The review quiz that we answered last meeting is all about sources of sound. There are two types of sound. Name it: natural and artificial. And they have many examples in this box below. So let's have an answer. Please open your book and check your answer if it is correct. Okay. Sources of sound, which is natural and artificial. So these sources of sound are the example of sound. Okay. We will go to natural sound. First, number one, birds. Birds. Second, wind. Wind. Third, humans. Humans. Good job. Next, ocean wave. Ocean waves. Last, thunder. Thunder. Good job. Now, these 5 example sources of sound, it belongs to natural. Again, natural. Now, question. What is the example of natural sound? Aside from here, think about one example. So if you think that you have sound of a whale, sound of a monkey, you got it right, because it belongs to natural sound. Next, let's answer about artificial sound. Artificial sound has 5 examples here in your book. So first, alarm clock. Alarm clock. Next, piano. Piano. Next, radio. Radio. Next, television. Television. Next, car horn. Car horn. So these 5 examples that you answered last meeting, which is correct, because because it belongs to artificial sound. Now, my question again. What is your example about artificial sound? If you say the sound of an airplane or sound of a motorcycle, if you answer that, you get it right because it belongs again to artificial. So, artificial sound. Now, again, let's go back. What is sound is all about? Sound comes from a vibrating object and can be heard by our ears. Our two ears can hear the vibrating objects like clapping your hands, shouting, singing, stomping your feet. That's vibrating objects heard by our ears. When something is making a sound, it is known as the source of the sound, and the source of the sound can be natural or artificial. So again, two sources of sound. First, natural. Second, artificial. So the example in here is a human being. Next, thunder. And next is a wave. Now, how about the artificial sources of sound? First, construction site. I'm sorry for that. Construction site. Symbols, and moving vehicles. And even your car, even your motorcycle has a sound, but it belongs to artificial. So how does sound travel? How does sound travel? By all direction. If the sound is from here, it goes to all direction, whether forward, whether sideward, whether downward, or backward. Wherever they go, they call it sound travel. Sound travel. Now, we will have a video presentation about what is sound by Dr. Binock's show. I put the link below in my description so that you can see how sound is presented here. Now, why I did not put it here, because our video might be deleted by YouTube, so it is copyrighted by other YouTuber. So it's easy for me and easy for you to watch to the link. And after that, you can pause this video so that you can have a time to watch about 4 minutes. And after that, you can come back and learn again to our topic. I give you 4 minutes, and your 4 minutes starts now. Okay, since you watch the video presentation in the YouTube, you can answer our activity. Now, in our activity, there are 7 numbers and 9 words that you can fill in the blank. Don't worry, this is not difficult, because number 1 I will answer. Okay, sound comes from blank to objects that can be heard by our blank. Okay, the first answer that is vibrating objects that can be heard by our ears. Now the second one, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, you can find the answer. But I will make it easy for you. I give a hint. I give a hint for number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7. So that all you have to do is find the first word and you write the second and third word here. You can pause this video if you like so that you can answer and find the words and fill in the blanks. Okay? Now, first, sounds move in blank direction. Letter A. Is there letter A here and has three letters? Maybe. Okay, find and write the correct answer. Okay? You can find it in here. Trumpets, vibrating, artificial, vehicles, vibrate, animals, ears, natural, and all. So all you have to do is find those words that start with letter A, that start with letter AR, that start with letter NA, start with letter AN, that start with letter B, start with letter TR, and we start with letter V. So all you have to do is fill in the letters. Okay? I'll give you 5 minutes